Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a factory manufactures 6046 calculators in a day. How many calculators will it produce in 3 weeks? Let us find first the number of days in 3 weeks. So for that, number of days in a week there are 7 days. So number of days in 3 weeks be 3 into 7, that is 21 days. As we have given number of calculators produced in a day, number of calculators produced in a day, or there are 6046 calculators. So we can find the number of calculators produced in 3 weeks be number of calculators produced in a day, that is 6046 into number of days in a 3 weeks, that is 21. Do that multiplication, 6046 into 21. Start with units place first. So it is 1 here. Any number multiply with 1 is that number itself. So it will be 6406. Add 0 to the units place. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry forward. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 into 0 is 0. 6 2s are 12. Add these two values. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 2 is a 6. 9 plus 0 is a 9. 6 plus 0 is a 6. 2 and 1 as it is. So there are 126,966 calculators produced in a 3 weeks. So our correct option is option D, which is 126,966 calculators.